Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is my second channel and today we're probably going to go exploring and try get a food source, and I just built this out of the video, but let's finish our storage system. I don't think we'll be able to get all of the storage system for this episode, but yes. So most of this episode I won't be speaking. Comment down below if you like this, prefer it, but if you don't, just tell me. I just want to make you happy. So if you want to see more of these videos, just comment down below. If you don't, just tell me in the comments. So yes, we can't finish it this episode. We need 4 chests. Yeah, I don't really like this bit. I think I should change it to pink, like the other way, the jungle stairs up. I hate it when stairs don't do what you want. It's really annoying when they don't do what you want. So yeah, I like it better like that. So this room is a bit dark, so I'm going to put some lights in the bottom. I think I've run out of bamboo, so I will get some more bamboo and I'll go on a little adventure. I'll come back to you when there's something interesting. So see you for now. Hello, I'm back. Oh, parrot. So we're going to get all these 2 parrots. These parrots, I'm going to adventure to find some food, because if you look at my hunger bars at the top, that was a stubborn one. You can see I'm running low on food. I'll probably come back when it's night time. So if you like that clip of me lighting up the floor, yes, comment down below if you don't like them. I like them. Oh yes, I got 2 now. So let's go on a little adventure and see. I really want some sheep, but I didn't find any. By the way, I recorded this after, so I know what's happened. So I know we didn't, but you need to wait to see everything else. Off camera, I will probably try find some sheep, and this world is always in survival, but I have a copy of this world, what's in creative, so I can just test to go see it where everything is, and like, see, there's a spruce forest over there, and I'll probably go there out off camera, and I'll get these melons for my food source. I'll probably plant some as well at where our home is. So when this gets 50 likes, last episode I said if this gets 50 likes, when I get 50 subscribers, I would start a live stream. But I actually record on my iPad, so I can't live stream until I've got 1,000 subscribers. So, but when I get to 50 subscribers, I will do a face reveal, and when I get to 1,000 subscribers, that's what I was supposed to say, I will do a live stream. So if you want to see a live stream, I will do that. I'll probably do that on my it on my Xbox. So I hope you enjoy this series. So I'm just getting some bamboo. Oh, my inventory's full. Bamboo. Bamboo. Because I don't have any left. So thank you for the last video, all that support, and yes, I will just check who my favourite comment was. Oh, nah, I don't like that yet. Don't like that. It's not like circling. Nah, I'm breaking them. So I will check who the best comment was and give them a shout out. So I'll be right back. But the video, it'll be second for you, it'll be like 5 minutes for me. But I'll be back when I found the comment and give them a shout out. So I'm back, and my favourite comment was the comical Candian. Sorry if I said your name wrong. So I loved your comment. You're the best comment because I didn't even get any other comments. So yes, I will dig out that room I showed you at the beginning and make a little farm here and get back to you guys. See ya. So I dug out this room. It's fairly big. I'll decorate. Comment down below if you want me to decorate it in the next video or off camera. But this is the end of the video now. So goodbye. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Remember, my favourite comment is I will mention you. So, and I want names in the comments for my 2 pet parrots. So goodbye.